Okay, I wanted to do a few things. One of them is I'm going to make this darker in here. I want to and now I do like this, but I need some glue up in there, and I think I can use this. I might have to change brushes. We'll see. And softening that bottom edge. Okay. And then I'm going to get my white. Okay, darn. I paused it and I forgot to unpause it. So, I can put a little white here for this highlight. Okay, this is what else really I did. I'm gonna put some here to differentiate. Okay. So, up in here I added more, just really light. You don't want to be heavy-handed with this white. It just gets out of hand. I wanted to put make sure I have enough water on my brush. Okay. And just put a little bit in here. That's a little more than I wanted. That'll work. So I'm making sure that this looks like it's water back in here, yeah. Okay. Let me see. Put a little white. Okay, there we are. That is that. Okay, I am calling this one done. I believe there's not anything else I want to do.